This is what most projects look like. Or this. One has no colors, the other has all of them, and neither helps you find the base in a session you haven't opened in 3 months. This one does. Start in Logic Pro, Settings, View, then Tracks. Set Track Color to Static so new tracks keep Logic's default color instead of getting a random one from the palette. Then set Region Color to As Track Color. Every region takes the color of the track it sits on, and a region you drag somewhere else adopts its new track's color instead of carrying the old one along. Nothing drifts out of sync, which is what kills most color systems after 2 weeks of editing. In the same pane, turn on Shaded Loops. Looped repeats appear shaded while the original region stays at full color, so you can see where your region ends and the loop starts. Without it, a 2-bar loop stretched over 16 bars reads as one long block. Now Control-click any track header, open Track Header Components, and turn on Color Bars. Otherwise, your track colors only show in the mixer. Option C opens the color palette. It also sits under View, Show Colors. 6 categories, chosen once: drums and percussion, bass, chords and harmony, lead and melody, vocals, and effects and transitions. 1 color family each, and keep green out of it because green has another job. 6 works because you recognize 6 colors without thinking. At 10, you start checking, and once you're checking, you might as well read the name. Inside a family, use shades of 1 hue. Logic's palette runs in rows of 24, and the boxes below each other are variations of the same color. So kick, snare, and hats become 3 shades of 1 blue. Your drums read as 1 block from far away and stay separable up close. If that family lives in a track stack, give the sum track its own shade, clearly brighter or darker than everything routed into it. A closed stack still tells you what it is, and an open one shows you where the group ends. Logic colors new tracks green by default, so let green mean not part of the song yet. Sketches, references, temp bounces, ideas you parked. This costs you nothing, because anything you haven't sorted into a category is already green. When a green track earns its place, give it its category color. Before you export, anything still green shouldn't be in the bounce. Then, lock it in. Build a project with the tracks you use most. Name and color them. Put them in the order you want, because that's the first point where you know what each track is. After a week, you'll open an old session and land on the bass without reading anything.